Hi, I'm Dr. Swanson from Ultimate Image, and I'm here to discuss the Fraxel Restore laser. This uses an erbium laser, and it's most suitable for people that are younger, maybe just have some fine lines and wrinkles, maybe a little bit of pigment problems. And to demonstrate this procedure, we have Linda. And Linda, why don't you go ahead and hold the mirror and kind of just let the people know what it is that bothers you.
Okay. Well, I have some fine lines and crow's feet here around my eyes. I have hypopigmentation here, which is those white spots. I do have some acne scarring, a little bit of pitting down here. Okay. I have uneven pigmentation here in my cheeks. And maybe just a little, there's a spot here on my nose. I'd like him to take care of that. And maybe some of these broken blood vessels are there, or veins.
That's right.
Yeah.
So really, you're kind of the perfect patient for the Fraxel erbium laser, because your problems are relatively minor, and again, I'll just review them with the people at home. You can see that she has. I'm going to turn your head this way. She has some hyper and hypopigmentation here, and the Fraxel laser will even out that skin color. She also, you can see, she has little imperfections in her skin, some old acne scars. I think I saw some old acne scarring on this side of her nose, and the redness here can be improved. She's just starting to get some fine lines under her eyes, and give me a little smile. You can just see how she's starting to develop fine lines, and this is what the Fraxel erbium would be perfect for treating. So we'll go ahead and show you what a treatment's like. We're ready to go here, and this is Linda getting a Fraxel treatment, and you can see the little laser beam coming out. And one important thing before we get started is we use these two cooling machines called Zimmers, and what these do is they blow ice cold air against the skin, which reduces the discomfort of the Fraxel by quite a bit. Here at Ultimate Image, we use two of them. I don't think anybody else does that. We use one in front of the laser and one behind the laser, so we keep the skin nice and cool as we're doing this. And you hear that little clicking? That's the laser beam going across the skin. What do you think, Linda?
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all. Is it hurting at all?
No, not at all.
Okay, go. We'll go do a couple more passes then. Alright, and you can just see, you just kind of go along like this, along the skin. We blow the cold air in front and behind. Go all the way up like that, and then we can even go back down, just the same direction we came. And if you look closely enough, you'll see that there's a little pattern that's been put onto the skin, little microscopic dots that for the most part are too small to be seen by the naked eye, but because they do inflame a little bit, sometimes you can make out just kind of a little bit of a dot effect across her skin, and those are the little pixels that the Fraxel laser has laid down on her skin. And you can also see her skin's getting a little red and erythematous, which is a normal reaction to the laser treatment. But when we're done, she'll just have a little bit of redness for a few days, and she can go about her business. The other thing that should be mentioned about Fraxel laser treatment, specifically we're talking about the Fraxel repair erbium laser, is that not only is it good for the face here, where we discussed earlier, the acne scars and the brown spots, but it'll also work great on the neck, and it'll work great on the décolleté. So she can pretty much freshen up both her chest area, her neck, and her face, and get it all looking much more youthful and younger. Another place that you can use Fraxel laser is on the back of the hands, where some women get quite a bit of sun damage. Linda's hands are actually in pretty good shape, but if she had worse sun damage, you'd probably want to treat your hands so they match your face, and that way no one can guess your age.